Windows down on my favorite street. Sunset in the rear view, got nowhere to be. For a moment we feel like we're kings and queens, and nothing but a t-shirt and ripped up jeans. We are free, can you feel it too? It's nights like these that only prove. And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this is when the moments turn to memories. Memories. Deep breath in and I come alive. It's a feeling I remember for the rest of my life. So I sit back and watch the sun paint us gold. For a moment we feel like we rule the world. We are free. Can you feel it too? It's nights like these that only prove. And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this is when the moments turn to memories. Memories. Time is moving faster than ever. We gotta try to capture, remember it now. And time is moving faster than ever. We gotta try to capture, remember it now. Yeah. And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this is when the moments turn to memories.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Ayen. Why so pretty in 50? Huwag ka masyadong magpa-pretty. Yan tuloy, ang dami nagkaka-crush sa'yo. Balita ko, may bigating nagkaka-crush tuloy sa'yo. Joke. Happy birthday. Stay blessed and humble. Stay pretty and mabuhay kang hanggat gusto mo.
Hi! Ikaw, Ma'am Ayen, huwag ka masyado magpapaganda ha. Kasi pag nakita ka ni Anjo Eliana, tsak, iiwan niya si Priscilla Almeda. Ha 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 ha. Anyways, happy birthday to you. More places to travel with. Just enjoy your day and have a good health. Bye!
God bless po, Ma'am Ayen.
Ikaw, Ma'am Ayen, huwag kang masyadong pabebe at maarte. 50 anyos ka na. Kailangan mo ulit ng katuwang sa buhay, lalo na parating na naman ang Vermonts. Wala kang kayakap. Huwag nang mag-inerte. Sunggaban agad kung meron na. Kaya i-enjoy mo na ang iyong 50th birthday. Kasi for sure, bukas darating na. Ulitin ko, bawal maarte at pabebe. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hello, Mama Yen. Ikaw huwag ka masyadong masipag. Tuloy, di na nakaporma sa'yo si Mr. Pogi mo kasi sobrang mong workaholic. Pati sa outing, kami ng mga friends mo, walang ligtas. Hindi nakakahindi dahil lahat na-contact mo na. Bayad na lang ang kulang. O, diba? At syempre, sarap mong kasama. Dahil generous ka at napakabait sa aming lahat. And you are a sister to me, Mama Yen. Totoo yan. And dahil special day mo, happiest birthday, Golden Girl, VP, Master, ayen. Love you po. Bye-bye. Message mo lang kami kung may invitation ka. Love you.
Ikaw, Ma'am Ayen, iwas-iwasan mo yung pagiging magaling. Hindi, joke lang po. Para naman matalo ka namin sa copy reading sa Pugkaran. Ang galing-galing mo na dun eh. Pero hindi. Thank you. Ay, mali. Happy birthday muna. And thank you kasi it's a privilege na makilala kita at maging friend. Aging friend. I am isa ka sa mga nilulook up namin, hindi lang ako, ng mga kasama kong trainers and SPAs sa journalism. At masaya ako na nakabanding kita. Kung may pa-lunch, pakisabi lang, charot. Pero thank you so much, Ma'am Ayen, and more birthdays to come. God bless you! Love you!
Hi, Ma'am Ayen. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. Welcome to the club. Golden lady ka na rin katulad namin, ha. Okay, so sabi ni Ma'am Weng, i-greet ka daw namin. So, ang wish ko sa'yo, good health. Every day, sana lagi ka mag-iingat, lalo na nagta-travel ka from Bulacan to Caloocan. So, lagi kang mag-iingat, ma'am. At alam mo ba na hindi mo lang alam na lodi kita. Bakit? Alam mo, sa lahat ng mga naging officer, ikaw talaga yung hinangaan ko. Pagdating sa trabaho, talagang pulido. Wala talagang anong tawag doon? Makakaalpas sa'yo kasi talagang very, very dedicated ka sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. As a master teacher, as journalism officer, talaga naman po, ma'am, wala akong masabi. So, yung friendship natin, matagal na, pero alam mo, na natutuwa ako kasi we are sister in Christ. So, may greet pa sa'yo isa. D.
Hi, Mama Ayan. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Good morning, Ma'am Ayen. Happy natal day. At Ma'am Ayen, payo ko lang sa'yo, huwag kang masyadong magpaganda kasi baka makakita ka ng apam. Joke lang po. Okay, so I wish you good health and long life. Of course, sana matupad mo na yung pangarap mo na matapos mo na yung masters mo. At the same time, I wish ko na ibigay sa'yo ni Lord yung nasa ng puso mo. Kung ano man ang nasa ng puso mo ay i-grant niya sa'yo. At enjoy lang natin yung life. Although life has many challenges, pero enjoy lang natin yan. So enjoy your day and kita-kits tayo sa blowout mo, ha? Once again, happy birthday. Bye-bye, Ma'am Ayen.
Hi, Ma'am Ayen. Ikaw tigil-tigilan mo na yung pagiging masyadong energetic. Alam mo, minsan, ang cellphone nalulobat, pero alam mo, sa pagkakaalam ko ikaw, lahat lobat na, pero hyper ka pa din. Pero kidding aside, alam mo siguro talagang sabihin na nating extreme tayo, no? Kung ako matangkad, ikaw, 5'4" ang height ko, ikaw 4'5" ba? Ay, hindi naman, 4'11". Size ng sapatos ko, 10. Ikaw, 4.5. So, sa mga ganung bagay, extreme tayo. Pero alam mo, nung ma-meet kita, yung pagiging extreme natin, napalitan nyo ng ang dami pala nating mapagkakasundoan. At the same time, napapagaan mo lahat ng bagay. Ikaw yung hindi lang basta light ng group eh. Ikaw din yung nagpupush sa lahat para maging okay ang lahat. Kaya for that, thank you so much. Hindi mo lang alam kung gaano ka namin kamahal. In behalf of the successful family, enjoy your day, your 50th. Yun nga, 50 ka na. Pero syempre, maraming taon pa ang aabutin mo. At sana maging masaya ka. And ano pa ba ang masasabi ko kung hindi? I really gained another sister. Kaya thank you so much. I love you and happy birthday!
Ikaw, Ma'am Ayen, huwag kang masyadong daring manamit. Dahil maraming lalaki ang pwedeng manligaw sa'yo. Lagot ka sa mga anak mo. Anyway, kidding aside, huwag kang masyadong masipag at inuubos ang oras sa trabaho, Ma'am Ayen. Dahil you deserve to relax, you deserve to enjoy these things. Happy birthday, Ma'am Ayen. All the best.
Ooh.